Hey everyone, welcome to VBA tutorials. In the past tutorials we have seen how to convert Excel spreadsheets to a PDF document. In this part we are going to look at the reverse process, which is converting PDF files to Excel spreadsheets. Okay, so in our example this sheet 2 and sheet 3 we had, and we converted to this document here, PDF document. We called it, that's the name we given. That's our document, PDF document. Nicely done. And then in this part we are going to reverse the process, convert a PDF document to an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so I have the code already ready, and then we'll go over the code. So before we start, actually we need two references. These two references here, one of them is Microsoft Word. Then this number can be different from the version of Office you have, but Microsoft Word object library and Windows script host object model. So basically what we need to do, we go to tools, add references. We need to find, since I have this already checked, they are listed right underneath the all others. But if it's not checked, which in your case that might be true, you have to scroll down, find this. First one is Microsoft Word. This number again can be different depending on the version. Microsoft Word object library, mine is 16.0, but yours can be different depending on version. I'm using 2019, Office 2019, so and then we need the second reference, Windows script host object model. So you gotta scroll down, find those two. It's really alphabetical, so it shouldn't be too hard to find them. Okay, once you checked, click OK. The references part is done. So now let's look at our code. We have it's the name of our sub, PDF to Excel using Word, and we are starting with variables. We have a worksheet variable, file path, string variable, another string variable called registry key, and Word version as a string. So you've got three string variables, and then we have two object variables. One of them is I called MS Word, the other one I called WinShell. These are going to point to these libraries. Okay, so I'm setting my worksheet to sheet 1 here. Okay, setting my worksheet variable to that, or here. Then I'm setting the or assigning my MS Word variable to create object. We create an object of Word application. Okay, and then the WinShell variables is set to create object vscript or wscript dot shell object. Okay, then we have obviously the file path with the file name, the word version, which points to that application version. Okay, and then we have this variable. We need this, well actually this one is needed, the word version is needed for this variable, which is used here, and this variable is needed. You can just copy and paste this. Shouldn't be a huge problem. And this one is needed right over here and here. Okay, so basically what's happening here is it turns on and off a dialog box or a warning box that when we convert. Actually, you know what, let's go ahead and do it so we can see all together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this PDF file with the MS Word or Microsoft Word. I'm going to say open with. I'm not seeing here, so I'm going to say choose another app. Scroll down. I'm not seeing here again. More apps. Let's scroll down right here. So I'm going to open that PDF file with Word application. Okay. So as it's opening, it gives you this warning. So that 3 lines of code, basically, actually 2 lines. This first one turns off that dialog box, and the second line here, it turns it back on after opening the file. This line, the middle line, opens the document with msword.documents.open, and we pass in that file name. Okay, so basically these 2 lines are related to this dialog box, and likewise the version and this registry key also are related. So okay, so when you click OK, it converts your PDF to a Word document. So basically what we are doing here is we're copying this content from the Word and we are pasting inside an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so once this line opens that document, this line here, okay, and this one again turns the dialog box back on. So once that process is done, then we are copying the content with this line of code. Okay, msword.activedocument.content.copy. So we're copying that document, and then we are selecting our spreadsheet, this code snippet. So we're pointing to the sheet 1, and we are selecting cell F3. Oops, there's an extra letter here, which is, let's go back to sheet 1 and F3 right here. Okay, and then we are pasting that text, the content of that Word document. Okay, this is all done in the background, you won't see it. Okay, and then once that completes, we are quitting the application and we are not saving any changes. So save changes is set. We do not WD, do not save changes, or this can be 0 instead of just whole string here. Same thing, 0 is the equivalent of this string. Okay, and then right after that we are cleaning up. We are setting the MS Word variable and WinShell variable to nothing to clear up memory. Okay, all right, so that's basically it. Let me go, and I think I already assigned that sub to this button. Let me double check. Yeah, let me actually do that again. Let me see. Module 2. I think this one here. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, hit OK. Now let's click this and see what happens. Uh-oh, we got an error. Ambiguous name detected. Let's see. I have 2 of those probably. I probably messed up somewhere here as I was copying stuff around. I think I must have copied something twice. I think these 2 subs are same. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna delete one of these, or actually, you know what, instead of deleting, just add something here to make it different. Okay, all right, let's go back here and let's continue this, and let's go back to sheet 1. Object doesn't support property or method. Get another error. Let's see what did we do wrong. Registry key, windshell, right. I must have accidentally done a typo. Okay, I think that's it. Continue. And here we go. So we copy the content of that PDF file right here. Let's go check. Let's actually make this larger so we can relate to our PDF file. Okay, we had the parameters heading right here, and then we have our Excel fixed format type heading and Excel fixed format quality headings. Let's double check and make sure we have them. So Excel fixed format and Excel fixed format quality. As you can see, it's copied everything as text, so no formatting, no nothing. Just so the process is convert the PDF to a Word document and then copy the content and then paste inside Excel as a text document or as text. Okay, so that's one way of doing. There are a couple other ways. If you guys are interested, maybe I'll do another tutorial. But until then, take it easy.